Model, 54-plate Ford Transit 2.4 TD90 PS minibus needs turbo, still starts, drives 76k miles. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 76,810. Engine, 2,402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, turbo needs replacing as it's not spinning, nice easy job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear seat area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest minibus with loads of life left in it. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.